a function, and it says it looks like the limit of f of x, it doesn't tell us what the function is, that will remain a mystery. It involves a logarithm in this case. But the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 equals 5. Let epsilon equal 1. What value of delta looks like it's going to work here? Well, it would be okay for delta equal 1 over on the right-hand side because we're already inside the rectangle. But if x is too far to the left, say, let's see, from here to there is about, what, 0.7, 0.8, then the function values are well away from 3. We wanted it to be, sorry, from 5. We want to be close to 5 because that's our L. So I'm going to slide the slider until we get a delta that works. There we go. So, as long as we're no more than 0.63 units away from 3, then f of x is going to be no more than 1 unit away from, or actually less than 1 unit away from 5. It'll recompute and give me another one. Maybe I didn't click it properly. There we go. Linear one. Okay, we just did this. So epsilon equals 1.6. Unfortunately, the slope of this is 3, I think. Slope is 3. So we'd want to take the 1.6 and divide it by 3, I think. What's 1.6 divided by 3? 0.53 repeating. So when we get to 0.53, that ought to be small enough. Yep, there we go. 0.51 works, 0.52 works, 0.53 works, 0.54 does not work. But 0.53 is a small enough delta. So as long as x is within 0.53 or less than 0.53 units away from 4, then f of x is going to be less than 1.6 units away from 8. One more. Oh, some curvature to it. This polynomial with an x cubed term in it, I forget exactly what it was. It looks like the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 is 7. It's a continuous function. F of 4 actually is 7 there. But also the limit exists there. So what? Epsilon equals 1.3. And you can see the 1.3, right? You look at this and you see from there to there, that's 1.3 units. And from there down to there, that's 1.3 units. How close are we going to have to be to 4 in order to be inside the box? No more than 1.3 or less than 1.3 units away from 7.
I just got there.
Does it look like a third? We're good there, but we got to be good there too. 0.26. Is that good? Well, it says it is. So as long as we're less than 0.26 units away from 4, then we're going to be, the function is going to be less than 1.3 units away from 7.